Hello everyone, I'm Em. Welcome to TechBlock. Today we are going to be building an electric desk. We have the tabletop right here from FlexiSpot. FlexiSpot have kind of sponsored this video, I guess. They've sent over a white tabletop here. This one has a size of 120 × 60 centimeters. Pretty cool stuff. Very heavy tabletop, so I'm expecting it to be really high quality and, made out of good materials. Then we also have the actual FlexiSpot desk frame that is so heavy that I have a feeling it might actually break the IKEA LINNMON desk the desk frame is currently sitting on top of. So we have a white tabletop and a white desk frame. It's gonna be pretty sick. I've never had like an electric desk before, I guess. This is like a sit-stand desk. And yeah, I look forward to building it. It's gonna be sick, dude. Also, because we now have like a white PC case, there's a good chance we're gonna try put together like some different kind of setups and stuff that I can show off to you guys. So we're gonna probably do like a white table setup. I'm gonna probably move the ultra wide onto here, get that PC case, move it onto this desk as well. It's not gonna be permanent, but it is gonna allow me to do like some cool stuff with setups in the future. So thank you FlexiSpot for actually sending over all this stuff. And with all that said, if you wanna go learn more about FlexiSpot and their desks and their tabletops and stuff, all their links will be down below, including the exact model that I have here. And they also sent me over like this cable management like snake type thing. I don't even know what the hell you would call this. This looks very interesting. This is probably something that would be used in like an office environment. Not sure if I'll actually be using this, but I'll try to put it to use if I can. But yeah, apart from that, all their links are down below. Let's actually unbox this desk and put it together. So, okay, apparently I don't need a knife at all. I can just rip things apart with my hands. Oh, maybe not. We do need a knife here. There we go. Of course, the desk comes with its own power cord. See, this is kind of weird. Like, I'm unboxing a desk. And what the hell, there are cables everywhere and stuff. Woo, okay. Thank God this comes with instructions. Thank you for your purchase. Leave us a 5-star rating. FlexiSpot, all right, so we'll probably have installation guide. This is what it is, fantastic. This is gonna be useful. We have a total of like 6 steps, I guess, in this installation guide. I've built desks before, so hopefully this won't be too hard. All right, so let's get all these cables out of here. Well, what is going on? All right, so that's like the motor there. We got this guy. We have like a 6-pin connector that looks like something that would plug into your graphics card. Can I like take things out one by one? Or, oh, no, apparently I can, cool. We have, oh, cool, this comes with tools, this comes with screws. We have like a wrench there, we have all the screws we need, a few Allen keys, sick, dude. Throw that all on the bed. We have a cardboard box here. What will this contain? And how do we open it? Come on, dude. Oh, cool. This is the actual thing we will be controlling the desk with. So we got like a bunch of profiles on there and stuff, up, down. Damn, dude, this is gonna be sick. I've never had like an electric desk before. I've never even like seen one in person, I think. It's gonna be cool. What is this? Oh, this is the motor. Oh my God, that's heavy. Jeez. Is this one just as heavy as well? God damn. Packaging here is on point. Everything seems to arrive like in fantastic condition. Zero marks, zero scratches. Unlike when I buy things from IKEA, the desk comes mangled. We have something else in here as well. Oh, we have, let's actually take this out of its packaging. What on earth is this? Oh, is this like the power brick? We have like, oh my God, there's like an Ethernet jacket. Why is there Ethernet? Does this work with Alexa? Imagine that, guys. We could control the desk with an Amazon Echo. That would be crazy, but I kind of doubt that is the case here. All right, I guess it's time for the tabletop now. I don't really know where to begin, to be honest. I'm just gonna cut like a bunch of the sellotape. Also, I've bought a new knife. I don't know when it's gonna be arriving, but it's a pretty cool knife. It kind of looks RGB. It isn't RGB, unfortunately, but it looks cool. Oh, that was, okay. Oh God. Ooh, the desk itself feels very good. I think if I just flip this around, the desk should just fall out. I hope. I don't have enough like height in this room to take it out, dude. Ow, there's so much things falling out. I think we did it. Damn, it weighs so much. The room is in it's in some state right now. Alright, so parts included. Right, so we have desk foot, desk leg. We have a beam, a transmission rod, a bracket, a control box, a baffle. What? A handset, then a power cord. And step 1 is apparently attaching the desk feet to the legs 2 and 3 using 8 M6x16mm bolts, tighten with a 5x5 hex key. Alright, so we have our desk feet here, I guess. Here's the second one.
Why don't you just listen for a minute?
Alright, so we're on step 2 now. Turn the legs down as shown on figure 1. Attach the beam to the legs using M8x50mm bolts and tighten with the hex key. Then attach the desk leg as shown on figure 2. Alright, so here's the desk so far. It's looking pretty good. We have like all this stuff built, the beam is on. I think everything is okay for the most part. Let's take a look at step 3, I guess. Attach the transmission rod to the desk legs. Attach leg first as shown on picture 1, then attach the other one, 3 as shown on picture 2. Tighten with the 2.5x2.5 hex key. So this one here. Alright, so I think we have to like pull this rod out. Alright, so we have the desk here. Holy crap. I can confirm the desk works. It's pretty fast actually. Whoa. How high does this go? How high does this go? It keeps going up. Hello? To be honest, I really didn't expect the desk to go up that high and go up that fast. Like, if I press down, you'll see this number immediately starts going down. I'm guessing that's the number of like centimeters the desk is like raised by. And it goes down really, really fast actually. Like, I was expecting this to be much slower, but it's pretty quick actually. And there we go, 71. This is crazy. There's also a bunch of numbers here, so I'm guessing these are just like profiles that you can set up. All right, so a couple of days have passed. The desk works, everything is perfect. Today I just got my delivery of the brand new unboxing knife. I bought this from Fade Case. Can you guess what it is? Can you guess what knife this is, guys? It's a karambit knife and it looks pretty cool. I got the Fade edition. I'll leave a link in the description down below to their website. Not affiliated with them in any way. This is not sponsored. So I think someone in the comment section months ago recommended Fade Case to me. So I went on their website, checked out their knives, and I bought this during one of their sales like a few weeks ago, I think. And it finally arrived from Sweden. In my previous video, I talked about me waiting for a product from DHL. I wasn't sure what it was or where this item's actually coming from. But yeah, it turns out it did actually come from Sweden. And here it is. So we're going to be unboxing some stuff today. This desk is kind of going to be used for like a secondary setup, I guess. I'm going to probably move my NAS onto this desk. I'm going to have another monitor here, I think, for monitor reviews. I'm going to have a keyboard set up here, probably a mouse as well. And from time to time, I'll maybe move my primary PC over here and maybe do like PC builds on the desk. I don't know. The possibilities are endless now that we have like a sit-stand desk. It's honestly very sturdy. And I'm not just saying that because like, you know, they sent me the desk for free. It is actually like a really good desk. And I feel like I kind of want this to be my primary setup. I really like the actual tabletop. It's white. It's really high quality compared to IKEA LINNMON. That's dirt cheap compared to this, but genuinely I really like this desk and I wish that it was bigger, as if this desk was maybe 2 meters long, which I don't think they actually sell 2-meter tabletops, unfortunately. I'll shoot them an email. Maybe we can convince them to manufacture 2-meter tabletops just like this. then I'd 100% switch from IKEA LINNMON to this in a heartbeat, honestly. This is a really good desk. My only gripe about it, I guess, is that it's not long enough for my needs, as I'd gladly switch to this desk right now, but I'd pretty much only be able to fit my ultra-wide monitor on here, plus the PC, and I'm out of space. And what I want is I want my 2 add-on monitors to be here as well. But this desk tabletop length only goes up to 120 centimeters, which isn't a lot in comparison to a 2-meter IKEA LINNMON desk that I currently have. So if this was bigger, I'd 100% switch to this as my primary setup, like immediately. But now let's actually go ahead and unbox the stuff I ordered from Amazon. So we have a, I think this is a 3-meter Ethernet cable from Prime Wire, I think they're called. I buy like all my Ethernet wires from this company on Amazon. They've never let me down. They're thick as hell, and they're just good quality. I like them. So I bought this as I'm going to be moving my NAS from just over there to this table here, as I think that's just a much more appropriate spot for the NAS in general. I don't really want the NAS being there, and the router and the NAS, there's so many things going on that drawer there that it's just not okay. So we're going to move the NAS over here, and for that I'm going to need a much longer Ethernet cable. So we have this guy, and I also have another package here from Amazon. Now this I think is a power cord, like a 4-socket power cord. Also this knife, it really surprised me how sharp it is. Like, unboxing packages is really easy now, because the other knife that I had, it's been used for years, okay? And I've unboxed a lot of stuff with it, and it kind of doesn't cut things very well anymore. This is beautiful, honestly. It blows my mind how sharp this is. Like, what the heck? I don't have to even like use any force anymore. It's just, it cuts everything for me. It's awesome. So what could this package be? It's a power cord. This is a power cord that I bought. It's really cheap. It's a 13 amp power cord, so it will be enough for my needs. This is the power cord, and this is the box that it came in. So yeah, Amazon apparently couldn't fit this power cord in a smaller box, so they sent a giant one, of course. But this power cord is going to be stuck onto the bottom of this desk. I'm going to cable manage everything real nice. It's a white power cord, 13 amps, going to have, I think, Philips Hue plugged into this, perhaps like a monitor, and maybe a PC as well. But I don't really know, to be honest. We'll see what happens, I guess, as I'm going to probably move that PC case over to here and just kind of see how the setup looks. I'm going to save that for a dedicated video though, as for now, I just want to kind of set up Philips Hue on this desk, maybe stick the power strip on, and maybe possibly move the NAS there as well. And yeah, so with all that said, let's get started, I guess. Clean everything up, stick Philips Hue on. So, oh, there's the old knife. There's the old knife, goodbye. You'll never see it again, probably. I still have my WD 250 gig M.2 NVMe drive that I need to install into my PC. I'll probably do that later on today. Or maybe once we actually put the PC on there, as I'm gonna have to open up anyway to install these new fans here. Apart from that, let's quickly move everything. I've pretty much tidied up this desk and made the other desk an absolute mess, but that's alright. This one needs to be nice and tidy, and goddamn dude, the surface here, it's so good, dude. It's so sturdy, it's so good. Ooh, why is there a wobble? Have I not screwed this in correctly? There's actually a bit of a wobble on the desk. I think I'm gonna have to like tighten things up a bit. Alright, so we've got Apple HomeKit here. We can turn it off, we can turn it on. If we press on it, we can adjust the color and stuff, dude. I might set it to like, should we do like a purple? I think purple looks pretty cool. Let's adjust the brightness as well, as we can do that. I don't want it too bright. It's like a very subtle brightness, I guess, like 65%, 70. Right, that's all looking good. Let's unbox this power cord here. There we go. I think we need a keyboard as well. How about the Black Widow Elite? Let's take this out of its packaging. I've not used this keyboard in so long. Ever since I posted like my comparison videos about keyboards and stuff, I've not touched this keyboard at all. So let's take it out of its packaging, dude. Oh, the wrist rest here. Damn, I miss this keyboard. It's actually like really good. I think I also need a mouse and mouse mat. Right, so that's pretty much it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Hope you enjoyed watching me build this desk. All of FlexiSpot's links are going to be in the description down below. I'll leave a link to their website as well as where you can buy this desk, the desk frame, all that stuff. It will be down below in the description. I'll include all this stuff as well if you're interested in this kind of setup, I guess. If you want to replicate everything here, I'll leave links in the description down below to, like, you know, the headset, the monitor, the mouse, keyboard, everything here will be linked down below, including, of course, this wonderful knife from Fadecase that is going to be used many more times in unboxing videos. And this desk is also going to be featured many more times in future videos, as it's pretty sick, dude. And it blows my mind how high this desk can actually go. So expect many more videos featuring this desk in the very near future. But look at it, it just keeps going up. Like, the first time I made this go up, I was blown away. I'm like, when is it gonna stop increasing in height? It's still going. It's still going. Any second now it might stop. There we go. It's almost as tall as me now, which is, I mean, if I were to actually use this as an actual setup, I mean, it's possible. The sit stand feature works very well, and we can lower it down. I've set up 3 profiles on this little, like, control pad here, I guess, for like 1, 2, and 3. But yeah, apart from that, everyone, thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you in another video soon. Goodbye.